Welcome friends. In this video, I am going to tell about how to print the string in the reverse order. Okay. So in previous videos, I am already told you how to print the string in the simple form. So here we iterate the string and print in the console in reverse the form. Okay. In reverse order, how the string is going to be print. So let's begin. So here I will take in as a string name equal to Lingaraj Tech Hub. Now for element in string name, within square bracket you have to take two colons and given as a -1. Okay, that is the range. And when it is going to be print element comma and equal to quote, see how it is going to be work. Okay, it's giving you in the reverse form BUHHCETCETJARAJ, okay, GNIL. Okay, this is the way. I will show you how that iterate function, through iterator, how to print in the reverse form. So here element is the index and the string name is the variable. If you added this particular format, scope resolution operator -1, it will helps you to convert the entire string and the countability starting from the last index and goes through the first index. Okay, and it print the elements, and end will be help you to print in a horizontal form. Okay, fine, that's it. If you have any doubt, go through the comment box, type there. Please like and share this video, click on the bell icon. When I am going to upload any future videos, you will get the notifications, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Thank you.